Today was absolutely amazing. At PSEG Long Island, today we opened up Small Business Month by hosting the Business First Workshop. We had over 100 attendees hearing from our subject matter experts, from energy efficiency to economic development, to billing, to procurement. We touched on all facets, from how to get incentives from us to how to work with us. So today was the best. The biggest thing I hope they take away is information on how they too can participate in our programs. One of the elements that we added this year was recognition, because we wanted to highlight existing projects that were done so that they too can expand on those ideas and become future participants to the program.
Yes, all these grant programs have been huge for our local businesses. If a store has been vacant for a certain amount of time, they've been able to secure these downtown revitalization grants from PSE&G. It's been tremendous. It's really put them over the edge and helped them to actually get their business off the ground, survive, and thrive.
PSE&G Long Island's been great. We've been able to buy holiday lights for big snowflakes. We've had litter receptacles, and the big one that you were able to see us was the beautiful clock that we put into Blumenfeld Park. And again, it's four-sided, it was elegant, it was uplifting, so it has uplifted our whole downtown. So we thank you for that.